Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some problems of arithmetic progressions that related to the nth term of AP. Now here problem number 11 is 110 terms of arithmetic sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, 29. It means that if we write the sequence and this sequence is arithmetic as given, then 110 comes in this sequence. We have so that now solution 11 here series is 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, 29 and so on. Here in this case, this is arithmetic sequence. First term A equal to 4 and common difference D equal to 9 minus 4 equal to 5, 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Now let us suppose that nth term of this sequence Tn equal to 110, so that nth term A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 110. A is 4 and n minus 1 into D equal to 5 equal to 110, implies that here n minus 1 into 5 equal to 110 minus 4, n minus 1 equal to, this is 106 divided by 5. It means that n is equal to 1 plus 106 by 5. I will see this. This is a not non-integer. Non-integer for the part of the sequence, for the part of the sequence, for the part of the sequence n should be positive integer. For the part of the sequence n should be positive integer, so that 110 is not a terms of given sequence. This is our result. Here we have shown that 110 is the terms of arithmetic sequence and 110 is not a terms of given sequence. Now problem here. Now here question number 12. Find the first negative terms of the sequence. Sequence is 999, 995, 991, 987, 983 and so on. Here as we see the sequence, किसी भी सीक्वेंस को देख करके हम अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि वह एपी में है या जीपी में है. आफ्टर दैट वी टेस्ट इट. Here in this case first term A equal to 999 and common difference D equal to 995 minus 999 equal to -4. 991 minus 995 also equal to -4. 987 minus 991 also equal to -4. Here difference of two consecutive terms is a constant quantity that is equal to -4, so that this is in the arithmetic progressions and common difference is -4, so that this is in the decreasing order and it must have negative terms. Now let us suppose that Tn, let us suppose that Tn less than 0, यानी nth टर्म जो है 0 से कम है अर्थात निगेटिव है. इन दिस केस nth टर्म a प्लस n minus 1 into d less than 0 and here a equal to 99999 plus n minus 1 into d equal to -4 less than 0. Here this is equal to 999, this is a -4n plus 4 less than equal to 0. This comes here 4n, so that this is a 9 plus 4 13 का 3 1 0. This is 1003 less than this minus positive 4n. It means that 4n greater than 1003. Now n equal to this, n greater than 1003 divided by 4. This can be also written as n greater than 1000 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This means that n greater than 250 plus 0.75. It means that n greater than 250.75, so that positive value of positive integer greater than this, n should be 251, 252, 253. It means that this 251 terms is negative, 252 terms negative. This is a negative terms, and in question find the first negative terms, so that first negative terms is this 215 terms. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this case, T 251 terms equal to A 999 plus 251 minus 1 into D equal to minus 4. In this case, this is a 999 250 250 minus 1000, so that this is a minus 1, and here in this case find the first negative terms of the sequence is minus 1. We ask that what will be the first negative terms of the sequence is this minus 1. यदि हमसे पूछा जाए कि जो है सेकेंड नेगेटिव टर्म्स, देन सेकेंड नेगेटिव टर्म्स 252, थर्ड नेगेटिव टर्म 253 एंड सो ऑन, इस तरह करके भी पूछा जा सकता है. नाउ we see next question. Now question number 13. Here each of the series 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 4, 7, 10, 13 dot is continue to 100 terms. जब यह सीरीज जो 100 terms तक लिखा जाए तो how many terms are identical, तो उसमें कितने टर्म्स जो है बराबर टर्म्स आएंगे, जो है यानी कितने टर्म्स ऐसे होंगे जिसका वैल्यू जो है समान होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट सीरीज इज 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 dot 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 and so on. And in second series 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13, 4 3 7 3 10 3 13 3 16 16 19 22 25 28 31 34, and so on. In this case, now common, find how many terms are identical. Now, how many terms are identical? First identical term 7. Second identical terms 13. Third identical terms 19. Now the series will be common sequence, common sequence will be 7, 13, 19, and so on. This is a common sequence. As you see that common difference is 6. Now we calculate the number of terms below the 100 terms. How many terms are identical? Now sum of 100 terms, this sum of now 100 terms of this T100 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and 100 terms of this T dash 100 A plus n minus 1 into D. In this case, first here A should be 3 plus 100 minus 1 into D equal to 3 to 5 to 7 and 2. This is equal to 3 plus 99 into 2. 3 plus 2 9 is 18 and 2 9 is 18 and 1 19. So that 8 and 3 11 का 1 11 1 9 1 10 का 0 201. And in this case for the second series A equal to 4 and plus 100 minus 1 into D equal to 7 minus 4 3, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 and 4 plus 99 into 3, 4 plus 3 9 are 27 का 7, 3 9 are 27 और and 2 29, 4 and 7 11 का 1 9 and 1 10 का 0 301. So that 100 terms of this series is 201 and 100 terms of this series is 301. Now T1 we have to calculate how many terms are identical. Let n terms are identical. Let n terms are identical. Now T1 less than equal to identical, so that Tn less than equal to 201, not 301, 201. Here in this case, now Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d less than equal to 201. A for this sequence, a equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 6 less than equal to 201. So that this is equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6 less than equal to 201. So that 6n equal to, this is a 7 and this is a minus 6 and plus 1, and here 6n less than equal to plus 1, this is a minus 1 and 201 minus 1, n less than equal to 200 divided by 6, and that is n less than equal to 100 by 3. This is equivalent to 3 3 is 9, 33.33. Here it means that n is less than this, n is positive integer, n is, since n is positive integer, so that identical term is 33, so that identical terms is 33. This is our answer. It means that 33 terms is identical for both the series. Now we have see that next problem here. Now problem 14, for and AP, so that TMS term plus 2m n plus m term equal to 2t m plus n terms. Now solution 14. Let us suppose that first term of AP equal to A and common difference equal to D. Now Tn n term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we have to show that Tm plus T 2n plus m equal to 2 times Tm plus n. From left hand side here Tm plus T2 n plus m. Tm m terms n terms formula is this, so that m terms a plus m minus 1 into d plus 2n plus m terms means n replaced by 2n plus m, so that a plus this is 2n minus 2n plus m minus 1 into d. Now in this case a and a 2a plus this is a common d, so that this is m minus 1 plus 2n plus m minus 1, and we take common d. In this case 2a plus m and m, 2m plus 2n minus 2 into d. Now right hand side 2 into t m plus n, it means that 2 into m plus n replaced by m plus n here, a plus n minus 1 and m plus n minus 1 into d. 2 into this, here n replaced by m plus n, a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now here in this case we take common 2 for this here, a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This and this both are same, so that left hand side equal to right hand side proved. In this case, now next problem here. Second problem, if the pth term of an AP is Q and qth term of is P, let us suppose that first term of AP of an AP equal to A and common difference equal to D by equation the pth terms, as you know that nth term equal to nth term and Tn equal to 1 into D. Now by equation nth term and Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, so that here pth term of an AP is Q, pth term of AP and A plus P minus 1 into D, pth term is Q, equation number 1, and by second condition qth term is p a plus q minus 1 into d is p. This is equation 2. Find first term and common difference, and we have to solve this and calculate the value of a and d. Now by equation 1 minus equation 2, here a and a cancel. This is equal to p minus 1 minus q minus 1 into d equal to q minus p. Now p minus 1 minus q plus 1 into d equal to q minus p. 1 1 cancel. d equal to, this can be written as minus p minus q divided by p minus q. This is cancelled. d equal to minus 1. d equal to minus 1. Putting value of this in equation 1. A plus p minus 1 into d equal to q. d equal to minus 1. A plus p minus 1 into d equal to minus 1 equal to q, and a equal to, this is minus p plus 1 equal to q. It means that minus plus a equal to, this comes here p plus q minus. Now a equal to p plus q minus 1 and d equal to minus 1. We have so that p plus q term is 0. p plus q a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value of a and d, we get p plus q term is 0. Now like and subtract.